Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Finceptor token. Ticker symbol is FINC, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, February 2nd. We're going to go over the information on the Finceptor token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Finceptor is a DeFi liquidity protocol with a launchpad plugin enabling unlaunched and publicly traded tokens to build protocol-owned liquidity, solving DeFi's 1.0's mercenary liquidity problem. Now, this token here is on the Binance Smart Chain. There is a total supply here of 100 million tokens. Ticker symbol is FINC. So far they have 3,560 holders according to their BSC scan. 18 decimal places on this token. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 2nd at 13 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search FINC, and then simply just buy the token. So this is decentralization of private capital and is not a liability but an asset of great value. So Finceptor is a DeFi liquidity protocol with a launchpad plugin enabling unlaunched and publicly traded tokens to build protocol-owned liquidity. Liquidity mining, providing token incentives to retail liquidity providers, is highly expensive, unsustainable, mercenary, and rented. DeFi needs better liquidity management. We're building a suite of first-in-the-market liquidity products enabling projects to bootstrap and grow their protocol-owned liquidity. Liquidity vaults and bonds. Moreover, we also have our own launchpad plugin strategically placed to attract top Web3 projects and help them grow their liquidity. So there's the Liquidity Vault, which is an on-chain initial liquidity bootstrapping tool to build protocol-owned liquidity for unlaunched tokens. They have a Bond, which is a structured protocol-owned liquidity growth and token liquidation tool for publicly traded tokens. And they have a Launchpad for a strategic token launch and sales arm. So we believe in the power of stories. Stories unite us all, stories inspire us, and stories empower us. We have always rooted for the underdogs and rookies, the Stephen Currys of the world. We idolized how the unfavored and the disadvantaged came out on top when no one expected them to. The dawn of digital age and blockchain technology showed us that Davids could indeed triumph over Goliath. So we believe in openness. Our vision here, it says Finceptor's vision is to equalize access to historically reserved private market instruments, promoting equal economic opportunities. Finceptor's mission is to create an open liquidity and token investment platform for retail investors. Through decentralization, Finceptor aims to empower the underdogs and challenge the status quo. Now, their tokenomics here, it says FINC is the native utility token for the Finceptor project with a limited supply of 100 million tokens and 18 decimal places. Now, the token can be used for accessing the liquidity vaults, bonds, and the launchpad. FINC stakers have direct access to liquidity bootstrapping, growth, bonds, and launchpad deals. Earning FINC yields and rewards, stakers earn auto-compounding rewards or boosted FINC yields via staking and farming activities. You can also use this token for discounted fees. So FINC stakers will get discounted fees on the bonds. Protocol-owned liquidity as well. So FINC will be used to maintain the stability of liquidity through protocol-owned liquidity models. So the token metrics, we got, let's see here, 5% of the tokens go to seed round, 10% go to community round, 20% to public and KOLs. Then we got 25% liquidity and 1% incentives. Now they have a roadmap on here. They started in Q3 2022 with auto-compounded dynamic staking, liquidity vaults R&D, follow on token offerings design, MVP completion, docs V1 public release, investment committee formation for project listings, real-time portfolio tracker, auto-compounded staking vault for private testnet, regulatory compliance integrations, AML, KYC, and KYB, private testnet V1 launch on Polygon, ecosystem partnerships with B2B affiliate program launch. Then we got follow-on token offering bond private testnet, public testnet V2 launch on Polygon, pre-seed token financing, deal escrow and token management development, deal marketplace development, then third-party smart contract audit and reports, on-chain whitelisting, launchpad mainnet launch, KOL partner onboarding, follow-on token offering bond private testnet, web and mobile UX UI advancements, first pool creation on the platform, BNB public incentivized testnet, public FINC sales, flexible and locked staking launch, and then listing. And then that's where we're at right now. They just came out with bonds mainnet launch. And then coming up in the future, EVM compatible chain expansion, non-EVM compatible chain expansion, social auth integration, affiliate referral protocol launch, liquidity vaults mainnet launch, credit protocol launch, and liquidity vaults mainnet launch. Check all this out at finceptor.app. You can find a full document section at docs.finceptor.app. You can find their Twitter right up here at Finceptor app, and it has a link to their Telegram on this Twitter as well. So go check all this out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC global one where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.